Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss applications of trigonometry, class 10, exercise 12.1, problem number 6. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 12.1, question number 6. Suppose we are shooting an arrow from the top of the building at the height of 6 meters to a target on the ground. At the angle of depression of 60 degrees, what is the distance between you and the object? Let us see the solution. Here given by you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building. For example, this is the building, this is the top of the building. Top of the building, this is the height of the building height is 6 meters. So here top of the building to you means me, I am. This is the here on the ground one object is there. That object it is like this it is. So this is the horizontal line. This object is making 30 degrees angle it is making. How much? This is the horizontal line. So it is that object is making 30 degrees. This is the ground level. So here this line and this line are both are parallel lines. This is the transversal line. Means here angle and this angle are equal. That are interior alternate angles. So interior alternate angles are equal. Here angle of depression from here to I am observing. Angle of depression and from here to angle of elevation are both are same. So here 30 degrees means here also we are getting 30 degrees. So let us see the figure. From figure 2 we can solve this one. So here AB is the building. This height is 6 meters. And here one object is there on the ground. That distance we don't know. So the distance we need to find. From top of the building to the distance we need to find. So here this is the horizontal line. So this top of the building to this point it is making 30 degrees. That equal here also it is making 30 degrees only. Both are interior alternate angles. Here angle of depression from the top of the building, the point to the top of the building. Top of the building to that point object, this is the object, top of the building to this object is making depression angle. From object to the top of the building it is making an elevation angle. So now you can see here AB equal height of the building that equals 6 meters. Now here the depression angle equal the elevation angle equal, both are equal, that is 30 degrees. Now BC, so here this point you can take C. So BC equal distance between shooting point to object that is, we don't know that we are taking x meters. This is you can take, left you can take. So this is x meters. So in triangle ABC, angle C equal 30 degrees. So 30 degrees opposite is AB and BC is the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, what is the trigonometric ratio? That is sine. So in triangle ABC, angle C equal 30 degrees. So now I am taking sine 30 degrees equal opposite to angle 30 degrees by hypotenuse. So sine 30 degrees equal opposite. What is opposite here? AB is the opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is BC. So BC. Sine 30 value how much? That is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equal AB value 6 meters by BC value we don't know, that is we need to find, that we took x. Now you can take the cross multiplication. 1 into x equal 2 into 6 we are getting. 1 into x equal 2 into 6, 12. So x value we got it. What is x here? The distance between the shooting point. So top of the building to here, shooting point to the object means BC. So the value we got it 12 meters. Therefore, the distance between shooting point to the object x equal 12 meters. We have seen how to solve the problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. In the next video, we will see same type of problems by using applications of trigonometric ratios. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.